Check it out, y'all.
Yes, I believe if you believe.
Yes, I'm a child of a king, baby. Look at somebody and tell them. And the band plays. Let's go. This is your day. The Lord made it, baby. God has set you free. Come on. I've been through this before. I can make it out again, y'all. Hallelujah.
Yes, I believe.
Do you believe it?
Hey everyone, Pastor Greg Laurie here, and I am looking forward to coming to Chicago for a 3-night crusade to be held at the Allstate Arena. The dates are September 24 to 26. I hope that you will become a part of this great outreach to the Chicago area. And we pray that God will do a mighty work and that literally thousands of people will come into a life-changing relationship with Jesus Christ.
22 years old, living that hard life already. I turned to drugs, alcohol, women.
Drugs and alcohol and sex.
And I would find myself at the parties, find myself in my addiction, find myself in prison.
Heaven is not for good people. Heaven is for forgiven people.
What he said, I can give it to God. If I was going to have to live with all this garbage and baggage, and now I feel like I don't have to because I got someone that came down and died for me and took that away, and he helped me to better understand that, so it was right on.
That life, it didn't offer me anything. It didn't offer me anything at all. It's not the way I want to live my life. Definitely not the way I want to live my life.
I can see this as like the pinpoint of where my life's going to begin, and it all's going to start tonight. That's the Harvest Crusade I feel like has started in my life tonight. I really do feel that change.
I'm awake, I'm alive. Now I know what I've been.